common problem, people think always the roof is leaking, and it's mostly the chimney flashing. And here's this chimney flashing. You can see how this is cracked open. Look here. See, the caulking doesn't stick to the cement. You can see it's open, and the water gets in behind there, flows behind the shingles, and it starts leaking. A very, very common. Look at the crack there. It's cracked open there. See? So this is only caulking. You cannot do caulking and expect it to last. It never lasts. So let me show you how to fix this. Very simple, very fast, very easy. I wiped the flashing like this, and then I take my super silicone. I take my turbo poly seal, and this can was not closed. I cover this area just like that. Let me show you. Just like that. Just simple. Yeah, I go over that caulking because that's just a filler. All right. Okay. I put my fleece. Just like that. And this flashing is repaired. Just like that. And this will never go bad. The caulking never lasts. You cannot use caulking. It's not a product that lasts on any surface, especially on cement. It comes loose. Just make sure you get that gap. See where the bricks meet there? The two bricks right there. You want to get that gap there. So fill that gap up with turbo. And that's it. My chimney flashing is fixed. Just as easy as that. So, all right, a quick update. I did this morning. The flashing on the chimney, beautiful. Look at it. Still curing, not completely cured. And I did this like 2 days ago. And now people can step on this, never crack again. You can use silver coat painting if you want to protect against UVs. But this is the best. This will never, never, never leak again. All right. Here's something else. When you get the stuff on you, it's not that easy to take off. So I use what's it? Asphalt Tar Remover. So I put some on my hand, put it on there, and look how easy it comes off. Nice and easy. All right. And that's it. It was as easy as that. Look. So that's it. All right. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.